Hey there, fellow productivity rockstars. Are you tired of printing, scanning, and copying documents that are anything but crystal clear? Well, today I'm here to introduce a game changer in the world of office printers, the Brother MFC L2900DW Wireless Compact Monochrome, black and white, all-in-one laser printer. With its lightning-fast 36 pages per minute output, this printer is about to become your new best friend. First up, let's talk about professional performance. I mean, who doesn't want to print documents that are not only clear but also fast? This laser printer delivers just that, thanks to its advanced single-pass scanning technology. That means you can scan and copy those pesky documents in a fraction of the time it used to take. And with its 36 ppm output, you'll be cranking out professional quality prints like a pro. But what really sets this printer apart is its versatility when it comes to connectivity options. You've got dual-band wireless, 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz, Ethernet, and USB connectivity. That's right, folks. This printer can talk to your devices in multiple ways. And if you're on the go, don't worry, you can print and scan from anywhere using the Mobile Connect app. Now, let's get to advanced document handling. Who doesn't love a good auto document feeder? The MFC L2900DW has got one, and it's a total game changer. With 50 pages of documents fed through at once, you'll be able to tackle those massive multi-page jobs in no time. And with automatic duplex printing, you can save paper and reduce clutter. But what really impresses me about this printer is its smart interface. The touchscreen display is responsive, intuitive, and makes navigating the world of office printing a breeze. You've got direct access to popular services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneNote. Talk about workflow integration. And let's not forget about energy efficiency. This printer may seem like an old-fashioned device, but it's actually designed with sustainability in mind. The enhanced fuser design reduces electricity consumption by 22%, and the automatic duplex printing feature saves even more paper. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much will this baby set me back? Well, the good news is that it's priced to sell at an incredible $377. That's a 4.3-star rating with over 377 reviews. Trust me, folks, this printer is worth every penny. So, there you have it, the Brother Professional Laser Printer review. If you're ready to upgrade your office printing game and experience lightning-fast performance, crystal clear documents, and advanced features like single-pass scanning and automatic duplex printing, then look no further. Head on over to the link below to get the best price on this incredible printer.